Welcome to our very first 3 fashion trends in under 3 minutes here at Halftee. Today specifically, we're going to be talking about 3 different looks that you can wear while traveling this fall in 2023. I want to take just a second to talk about a couple accessories that I think are super important while we're traveling any time of year. Depending on what time of year, I'm going to either be traveling with a pair of Birkenstocks because they're my favorite, most comfortable shoe, or I'm going to be traveling with just a simple pair of tennis shoes that really just go with just about anything. One of my least favorite things are my feet getting cold, and I really feel like there's a lot of times where I'm cold in general when I am on an airplane. So I do like to always have a little jacket or a sweatshirt to make sure that I am not getting cold while I'm traveling. I'm gonna start with the outfit that I have on. This is our 2-piece matching set. It's in black. There's several different colors you can find on our site, but I love matching sets, especially when traveling, just because I feel like it looks together, but I'm super cozy. Now, as a traveler, I don't like looking grungy when I travel. I like to do my hair. I like to have clothes on that are comfortable, but also put together, and a matching suit it works. You could style this with a long sleeve halftee if you want a little more coverage, and I could layer this with my cardigan and still look put together. Option number 2 is going to go to just the cute, cozy jumper. You guys know how much I love jumpers. I'm styling it with our full length layering tee by Halftee, and then I've incorporated this jacket that I talked about. Again, I'm gonna wanna take this on and off. I just wanna stay nice and cozy. I could style this with my Birkenstocks, or I could style it with a pair of tennies, be able to walk around, be very comfortable walking through the airport, and yet super put together. And option number 3, I wanna start off with these accordion pants. I love these pants. They're wide leg, they're so comfortable, and yet you can dress them up or you can dress them down. I also love having these pants as I travel because if I'm going to the pool, if I'm going on a walk, I can wear this out and about, but also to the pool as a pool cover. And I really think it's important that as we put our outfits together, we're thinking ahead of ways that we can incorporate them throughout the whole trip. I love it with this raw edge t-shirt. Again, very casual, but I've got a style with some Birkenstocks. Really, really fun put together look. Now, I could layer this either with a halftee, with the jacket. I would probably style this with a denim top, an oversized denim top, or even a white long sleeve button down would be really, really cute and still work for fall. So there's 3 trendy fashions under 3 minutes. We hope that you're gonna love this new series that we're putting together here at Halftee. Thanks for joining us. Mwah.